Hey vlog, so today, since I didn't post last week, because I have absolutely nothing going on and I had zero footage, this week I'm gonna make a good video and we're making slime with Ariel.
Oh boy.
Gotta put my hair up so I don't get slime over here. Okay.
I'm hungry. You can't eat this stuff, right?
No, you cannot eat this stuff. Ew. Okay, things you need. You'll need shaving cream, you'll need glue, and you'll also need eye drops, and you have to get eye drops with borax in it, because that's what makes the stuff stick together. And a spatula and a bowl. I think that the shaving cream is going to make it blue. Alright, well, we'll dye it after. Step one is to put all the glue into the bowl. I've literally never done this before. We have food color?
Yes.
Wait, where?
Right there.
What color do you want to make it?
Purple?
Yeah. That scared me. Yeah, so. 1, 2, okay, that was like 3. That should be good, right?
I don't know. How does it say? How many?
Just says, add glitter glue and food as directed and stir in. So let me stir it in and say. This looks absolutely disgusting. I'm just not gonna lie here. The sounds that this is making is really nasty.
Do we need more red?
I think we're good.
Okay. Start adding in the shaving cream. We emptied most of our 283 gram shaving cream concentrate into the slime mixture, but just keep adding until you don't feel like there's any just glue left. It will continue to get thick and puffy. I'll mix while you do it.
Oh my god, this is really annoying.
It smells good. It smells like I'm in bad shape.
Oh my gosh, it's getting like fluffy.
It's a fluffy puffy slime.
It's fluffy slime. Throw some up there. Fluffy puppy slime. Next, add contact solution.
No, edit this step. Contact solution and eye drops can cause diarrhea. Okay, so clean. Okay, so we won't eat the slime.
We can't eat the slime because it'll cause diarrhea.
We don't want diarrhea. Purple diarrhea.
Ew, that's disgusting.
That's better than green. Okay, hold on.
Oh my god.
What the?
I can't tell if we're succeeding or failing very bad.
Definitely slime, but it's not
fluffy.
I mean,
More of this.
Okay. I feel like maybe we didn't eat all that contact solution.
Oh my god.
No, it's still gluey.
Yeah, we need more contact. We need more of this.
You think so? I think we need more contact solution, actually. Dad's gonna love that we use all the shaving cream for this. And that's gonna go in the garbage.
We just won't tell him that that's what it's for. He doesn't watch my videos. See, now it looks fluffy.
It's so fluffy!
Oh shit. Jesus.
Alright, yeah, I gotta wash my hands.
Oh my god.
Right? Like, isn't that...
Honestly, it feels like glue and shaving cream.
It feels like what?
Glue and shaving cream.
Guess what it is? Glue and shaving cream.
You can hear it tearing apart.
I think maybe contact solution, because I don't think it's supposed to... oh my god. I don't think it's supposed to come out on your hands at all.
Also, it feels like shaving cream.
Yeah, so that's not right.
Okay, so more contact solution.
Yeah.
We're scientists. So just give us a sec. Okay. We also made meatballs, but that's besides the point.
Okay. Yeah, now it's not sticking to me.
What? We did it!
Flubber! No, I'm gonna have diarrhea.
No, it literally says that contact solution gives you diarrhea, which is a little odd. Don't you think?
It's like,
we don't want to play with it.
I'm making a pizza.
Oh my god!
vinegar?
like, it looks a little gross. I told you that the shaving cream was gonna make it blue. So that's what happened.
No, we put, what do you mean we put dye? That's why it's still purple.
Okay, I'm gonna make one of those like slime videos now. I'm sorry, but this is the coolest thing I think I've ever done.
This is what I see in slime videos. This exact thing.
Oh, like,
Yeah, like, okay, great.
okay, ready? It's working. It's like, look at it.
I don't want to touch it again.
Okay, then don't.
Max, you touch it, it's pretty cool.
I'm gonna put this on my Snapchat story. I'm so proud. It's like my baby. I think I have an obsession with the slime. Is this not the best thing ever? Like, it smells like shaving cream. You know?
Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows?
Tell me I'm not like the mother of a slime baby. Like, tell me I'm not. I won't believe you. Okay. Okay, that's enough. I gotta go.
Yeah, my life be like